And of course the spot I wanted to sit is covered in fucking bird shit. But been searching for a creek bed. Found a dried up one. Hopefully we'll be good once we start getting closer to winter. It's a really muggy day out here. Another spider on me hat. Get off me hat. So I've been out here hiking for the last hour and a half. Just come up. Oh, where am I going? There. Just come up from down in that valley. Been following a dried up creek bed that runs up through here. Oh. Just stopped to grab a drink because it is really muggy. And I'm making my way back over here to where I think might be a half decent spot to build a little Bugout Fort. So, okay. Made myself a little walking stick before. Come across some deadfall, like all what's pretty much everywhere around. See, look at all that. Yeah, and this log just happened to be sitting pretty much straight like that across two others. So it became my walking stick. So I'm heading back up to the top of the ridge just as a shortcut because I want to go over there, and rather than go a kilometre through bush, it's easy to just walk up to the ridge. There's a dirt road there. I can follow back up for that kilometre, then I'll cut back into the bush because I've already been walking up this valley and yeah, I'm getting a bit exhausted. Got the valley I was walking down in before, which is just over here, and there's another little valley just here, of course. Valleys everywhere through here, but I've stopped here. As you can see, I got my bag down, my water. Found myself a little clearing here. Not much overhang, which is good. Half of this is dead wood. As you can see from all the deadfall everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. Obviously that was a big tree that's been uprooted, left a mound behind. But yeah, I think this is the spot. We're kilometres from anyone. And plenty of dead wood, got water not too far. I think this is definitely the spot for a Bugout Fort. How I'm going to build it exactly, I have no idea. But at least now I've trekked out to a spot where I can actually build one and I'm away from everyone. I don't think anyone will find it out here at all. But that pretty much does me for today. I'm been up and down, in and out of valleys, trying to find some dried up creek beds, which I successfully did, but there's a lot of work. But I think I picked a good day. Like I said, it's not sunny, but it's very muggy. I've worked out a little system to find my way back to here. So yeah, obviously a little bit of a walk, but I'm hoping that even if it's, as long as it's not even in the middle of the night, I should be able to find my way back to this very spot. So before I leave, I think I might just scope out this area a bit better. That was dead standing, it was rotten. I only just touched it with my foot and it fell over. Same with this one here. You see pretty much all the trees around here have fire damage. And there's quite a few dead standing trees, but as you can see, there's a couple just there, and then there's one that's fallen into the crook of those branches on that tree. But they're over there, and they're over there, and they're over there. Luckily this little patch here is looking pretty good. I didn't even notice that. I'll come back with the torch and get a good look in there, see if that's burnt out. But those green leaves up on the top, one branch is dead, the other looks to be growing pretty well, so that should be good. This is a bit of a different story. There's a bit of life in it, but the main tree is dead. It's leaning that way, not leaning into the middle of the camp. It's leaning out that way. There's really nothing leaning in. So this is definitely going to be a little Bugout Fort area. Need to clean up some of this brush. I think I'm liking this. You can see a reason why this shouldn't be my area. Yeah, please let me know in the comments. As I said, I've never done anything like this before. Never been a camping person. But this is just if I had to bug out somewhere, why would you bug out somewhere where people can find you? You want to bug out. You really want to bug out. So come way out in the bush. But of course, once you come way out in the bush, you need shelter. And that's what this is. This is going to be my Bugout Fort shelter. Whatever you want to call it, camp, shelter, fort. I like fort. Bugout Fort. Besides some cordage, I don't think I'll be using much of anything but wood from the bush. As I said, I've watched a few bushcraft videos on YouTube. So I've got a few ideas, but never tried anything like this. So it should be fun. But I'm going to sign off for now, but before I go for today, I might just move some stuff around so get an idea of what sort of space I'm working with. Lay these logs out to sort of make a perimeter. Oh. Yeah, try to figure out what's going to be the front, what's going to be the back. If there's going to be a back. You're just going to... Well, it's got to have a front because I've got to walk in somewhere. So yeah, I'm going to lay these fallen logs and sticks out just to give myself an idea of the area. If they're not all dead and falling apart on me, yeah. Brilliant. Right, so yeah, I'm going to sign off for now, guys. If you've got any ideas, and please leave a comment. It'll be a little while before I get this edited and out, so I'll probably be ready to come back out here again. I'm going to do this sort of over summer. I want it ready so that once fire season's over, I can actually come out here, have a little fire going, come out, cook some food, stay overnight. It's going to be a bit crazy, a bit wild. Staying way out here in the bush, miles from anyone. There is a highway that way, but yeah, I'm not going to try walking to it. Not in summer, not unless I've got a camelback or something with me, my hydration pack. Because even today, walking through that valley, I've trekked along the ridge here. I went down into the valley that's just down here, you can't see. Come halfway up, I crossed over into this a little bit and come back. Went back up to that other ridge line, come back across, worked my way through here and found this. I was actually looking at a... Oh, I just spotted something over there worth looking at, but I was actually looking at a spot back here a bit, but then I found this clearing, and I'm still talking. Right, way to go. Need both hands, grab some logs, mark out a little boundary area, and then we make the hike back to the car and get out of here. Because, what is the time? It's 4:45 here. So, considering we have daylight savings time here, it's technically only 4:45, so still a couple of hours of daylight. Yeah, I want to get this marked out, trek back, call it a day. I'm hoping to come out here once a week over summer. And considering how long it takes to get here, and then the trek from the car to this spot, I'll have to carry some more. This is just a crappy backpack. It's not a hiking backpack at all. I just threw a few things in. Alright, so yeah, this is the start of the Bushcraft Bozo's Bugout Fort series. Thanks for joining the channel. Please, I know there's definitely going to be people out there with more experience than me. If you've got any ideas, leave them in the comments. I'll try to do them if it's possible and plausible. And I'm actually kind of looking forward to getting it to a point where I can stay here over the night. Alright, so 5th time now I'm actually signing off this time. Alright, thanks again, have a good day.